When using the seed cart with the scale option and you're using the LD820 programmable scale, the scale needs to be on in order for the auger to unload. The auger on signal goes through here, and in regular dispense mode goes back to the valve, turn it on. In auto unload, it controls the signal for whether the auger is on or off. If you want to unload the cart without using the scale, or if the scale becomes disabled or you lose power for some reason, you can still unload by using a jumper plug to bypass the signal going to the scale. So in each of the scale carts in the operator's manual tube, there will be an operator's manual for the scale, and along with that will be a jumper plug that comes with it. Each jumper plug has a QR code that sends you to an additional startup guide and other information using this scale. You'll have to use this jumper plug to bypass the signal going to the LD820 indicator to use the cart and unload with the auger without the indicator being on. To use this scale seed cart without the LD820 indicator, you need to locate connector C21, which is the orange wire on the seed cart power harness, and disconnect the scale power harness wire, which is the green wire, and install a jumper plug back onto the orange wire. This allows the signal for the auger on to go to the valve without going through the scale indicator, whether using the remote or the manual switches.